Did PSG just redefine dominance in football? A 5-0 thrashing in the Champions League final? Let's break it down. In a stunning display at the Allianz Arena, Paris Saint-Germain clinched their first ever UEFA Champions League title, dismantling Inter Milan with a resounding 5-0 victory. From the first whistle, PSG showcased relentless aggression and tactical brilliance. Their attacking trio was unstoppable, slicing through Inter's defense with precision. Each goal amplified their supremacy, leaving fans and critics in awe. This wasn't just a win, it was a statement. Is this the dawn of PSG's dominance in European football? Can Inter bounce back from such a defeat? Share your thoughts below. For more updates and in-depth analyses, stay tuned to NewsGrid. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.